Lawyers and law firms, please stop relying on referrals. Please stop relying on word of mouth. And please stop relying on those apps that say they get you clients, but they actually don't. Okay? None of that works as well anymore. Yes, of course, it's good to get word of mouth and referrals because you've done a good job, of course. But you want a consistent flow of qualified leads and clients every single week, right? And that's not consistent because you have to get more clients to do that, go through the cases, get good results for those cases, and then you'll get referrals, maybe. Okay, so it's not consistent, and you want a consistent flow of qualified leads and clients every single week. And I've found a way to do that, and this is the exact funnel that you can implement to actually get more leads and clients as a lawyer or law firm. And this is mainly for personal injury lawyers, accident lawyers, everything like that. So this will work for you. And this will also work for any online business, but I'm going to tailor this towards lawyers and law firms. So let's just get straight into this. And yeah, let me show you it visually. So let's get into it. So by the way, I'm looking down because my computer's down here, okay, if I'm looking down. But first of all, I really just want to get into the basics. So first of all, you need some sort of personal brand. If you don't have a personal brand in 2024, you're just gonna get left behind. I know it's abrupt to say that, but it's true. You need some social media content online, and I know a lot of lawyers and law firms are afraid to do this because of the laws around posting content. But my clients, like Andrew here, he posts content every single day. He's built a following of 11K, and he attracts leads and clients through that kind of content because he's building up a connection with his ideal clients. What you really need to understand, guys, is your ideal clients are scrolling through social media. They've just been into an accident, they've just had an injury, and they're looking for a solution to their pain. They've got loads of bills to pay, they don't know what to do, and they need a solution ASAP. They're scrolling through social media, they're looking for a solution. You're not on there, but your competitors are, like Andrew, and they're getting the clients, and you're not. Okay, so what you need to realize is you need some sort of social media presence because it builds up a connection with your ideal clients. It builds up trust. Who do you think people are going to choose? Someone without a social media presence, who's not giving any value at all, who's just posting pictures, not even of them, on their social media page, or a person who's giving value, posting social media video content, building up trust, giving value, showing clients results, everything like that. They're going to choose this one. Okay, so you're missing out on a load of clients just because you're not on social media and posting video content. So first of all, we need to get that in line. And there's three main pillars I want you to follow as a lawyer or law firm within your content. So pillars means is basically the topics that you're going to create content around. You are a lawyer, law firm, and you want to get 5 extra clients every single month, guaranteed, or you don't pay, and you want to build a personal brand and build up an audience of people who know, like, and trust you, and eventually convert into clients. Book in a call with the first link in the description. There's no obligation to work with us whatsoever. We'll just run you through this strategy in more detail, and we can see if we can even help you, and we can just go from there. One pillar is really just educational. And this is where you're going to speak about laws in general, again, if you can. You're going to speak about what to do when you get into accidents, what to not do, what to do when you get injured, what to do when you get pulled over, for example, with DUI, everything like that. Just educational pieces of content. And this should be talking head videos, like I'll show some on the screen of my client. He gets on camera, as I said. And this is what I mean. So getting on camera, and building up a connection with your ideal client. Educational pieces of content. This builds up trust and also reciprocity. People feel obliged to give you something in return. That will either be a follow, or they will book in that free consultation or free case evaluation from you. Okay. Two is really just entertaining pieces of content. And I don't mean just dancing and everything like that. Don't do that. And I see a lot of lawyers and law firms post trends, like TikTok trends. They do super well view-wise, but they're not attracting your ideal clients. They're attracting randoms. So entertaining pieces of content, I mean things like reaction videos, reacting to accidents that happen, reacting to injuries that happen, as long as they're not graphic, and your take on it, who's in the wrong, who's in the right, what they should do next. And then you can actually plug your firm at the end and be like, okay, call us up if you've been into an accident like this, for example. Okay. And third pillar is really, I like to call just like the proof of concept pillar. So you're going to post so you're going to post testimonials, client results, settlements, and don't just post these as pictures. If you can, get your client on camera and get their reaction to the settlement. I've seen this guy on social media do phone calls. He calls his client up and he gets their reaction. And that's just proof of concept. You can't fake. I'm not saying you're faking your settlements that you post online. You could, okay? You can't really fake a phone call with a client who's really just like sounds super real and everything like that. Get excited about the settlement, okay? So do those kind of videos, post as much proof of concept as you can, because again, the more trust you have, the more people are going to trust you and your firm and choose you over anyone else, okay? Because there's a lot of firms online, okay, guys. There's a lot of law firms online, and you need to stand out and differentiate yourself and get on camera, okay, and show proof of concept. Okay, so that's the first thing. Make sure your organic presence is in line. And next is you won't really like organic content. What I truly want you to realize about organic content is you can't really rely on it to get you leads and clients. Okay, of course it's going to get you leads and clients, as I just went, but it's inconsistent, okay? Because you're relying on this thing right here, an algorithm. You can't control this algorithm. You don't know who it's going to go to, where it's going to go, how many people it's going to go to, and it's inconsistent. Yes, you can do some things to get more views and everything like that, but it's inconsistent. It's an algorithm. You can't control it, okay? And I'm guessing you want a consistent flow of qualified leads and clients every single week and every single month, right? Well, the only way you're going to be able to do this is with an also proven ad strategy as well as organic content. So these ads are really just to get attention and ideal clients into your world, and the organic content will nurture these people, and also the retargeting will nurture these. Well, let's go through the two ads. So one ad is a really simple Instagram profile visit ad. And this is just optimizing for ideal clients to follow you. You're going to create a video like 3 tips, 3 things to do when you get into an accident. So that's your ideal clients. They've just if they've been into an accident, you know what? Okay? Then at the end, you can say, follow me and scroll through my content for more legal tips. Or follow me and scroll through my content. You want to learn how to get the compensation you deserve, for example. These people and these ideal clients are going to follow you. They're going to scroll through your organic content over time, build up trust, build up a lot of trust. And what you can even do, or a team member of yours can reach out to them and offer the free case evaluation if they're qualified. That's a lead and potential client because they're really qualified. Okay. And that's one ad. So this is going to get ideal clients into your world every single day. They're going to get nurtured by your organic content. Don't run these ads until you have some organic content on your page. They're going to get nurtured over time, build up trust over time. And even if you don't reach out to them, they will eventually call you up if they need you. Okay. And 2 is a lead form ad. This lead form ad is optimizing for ideal clients to fill in a form, which will be name, email, phone number. And also you can have a few qualification questions in there, like what kind of accident did you get in? How long has it been? Just so you can qualify them, okay? And this lead form ad, and by the way, guys, both of these ads are really cheap. This one here could be $10 to $30 a day, and this one here could be around $10 to $15 a day. Okay, and these are going to get you leads. So you're going to get their contact information, and all you have to do on your end really is call them up, because these ads are like run automatically. You just have to keep an eye on them if you're doing them yourself. If you want someone to do them, like we do them for our clients, we just keep an eye on them anyway. Okay. And also what I really want you to realize is you're going to build up a really big audience from these ads. Okay. And what you can do is start retargeting all of these people who've come onto your profile, because they may not trust you the first time they see you. They're going to have to build up trust over time. You can start retargeting them with testimonials, clients' results, offers, settlements, value. And this will just really push them over the edge to choose you over anyone else, because you're in front of their face 24/7, building up trust. Trust is the number one thing you need, okay? So this is literally going to lead to either them going to your website or form. All of this is going to lead them to going to your website or form, filling in that form, free case evaluation that you give them if you offer that, which I highly suggest you do, because it's something free first to build up trust. Or they're gonna call you up, and again, free case evaluation, or they're just gonna simply come to you straight away and be like, yeah, let's go. Okay. So this is what this funnel does, and this is what I suggest implementing. If you do want some more information about this funnel and you want to learn how to implement these ads, how to set up these ads, I've got another video in the description that it goes through. It will literally run you through how to set up these ads and everything. But I really hope you got some value from this video. Subscribe, everything like that, because I post content like this every single day. But I hope you got some value from this.